Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an iPhone with Siri active and an iCloud account, an Android device with stable Wi-Fi. Once done, install an iOS virtualization app or subscribe to a remote iPhone service that exposes Siri. Make sure to enable Bluetooth and local network access on both devices because Siri routing often needs device discovery. Next, sign into the same iCloud account or pair the service credentials. This creates the authorization bridge you'll use to forward commands. You now set up the bridge between Android and Siri. Open the virtualization app and grant microphone, notification, and background execution permissions. Without those, voice capture fails. Next, configure audio routing so your Android mic streams to the remote Siri instance and remote audio streams back to your phone. Once routing works, create a home screen shortcut or widget that launches the session with one tap. This reduces latency and avoids repeated logins. Test with a short command and listen for the reply. You finish by validating common Siri tasks. Place a call, send a message, set a timer, and trigger a smart home action. Make sure responses arrive promptly. If latency is excessive, switch Wi-Fi bands, use a 5 GHz network, or try USB tethering to reduce lag. If Siri reports authentication issues, reauthorize the virtualization app and confirm iCloud credentials. If audio fails, revoke and regrant microphone permissions. One key troubleshooting tip: restart the Bridge app and re-establish pairing before changing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.